everyone, I hope that you're doing okay. Today we're going to complete the vocabulary in Unit 6. Please open with me page 76 in the student book. Let's start with exercise A. Exercise A, complete the table. So the table that we have here is a table of derivatives. What's the meaning of derivatives? It's the other words that I can extract from a main word. Let's have a look. First, we have the word define. It's a verb. The adjective or the derivative adjective from define is defined. The adverb is definitely. So what do you guess the noun from define is? Yeah, let's have a look. Exactly, it's definition. Let's move to another word. The word competition or compete as a noun. Competitor is the adjective from it, and competitively is the adverb. What do you guess the verb is? Exactly, compete also. So I have compete as a verb and compete as a noun. The third one, assistant as a noun, assist as a verb, assistant as an adjective, and we don't have an adverb for this word. What do you guess the other noun for assist is? Exactly, assistance. 4, we have free as a verb, free as an adjective, freely as an adverb. What do you guess the noun from free is? Yeah, freedom. The 5th one, follower as a noun, and following is an adjective, and we don't have an adverb for this word. So what do you guess the verb is? Yeah, let's have a look. It's follow, exactly. The 6th one, concentrate as a verb, concentrated as an adjective, and we don't have an adverb for this word. What do you guess the noun from concentrate is? Yeah, it's concentration. Let's have a look on the 7th word. It's depth or depth is noun, deepen as verb, and deeply as an adverb. What do you guess the adjective is? Deep. 8, supervisor as a noun, supervise as a verb, supervised as an adjective, and we don't have an adverb for that. What do you guess the other noun is? Yeah, it's supervision. Great. The 9th word, danger as a noun, dangerous as an adjective, and dangerously as an adverb. What do you guess the verb is? Yeah, in danger. Our last word doesn't have a noun, doesn't have a verb, but it's an adjective and we have an adverb for it. Our adjective is proper. What do you guess the adverb is? Yeah, great, properly. So have a look on that box again, because we're going to use it in our next exercises. Let's move to exercise B. Complete the text with the correct form of the words from the upper box. Okay, let's see. Free diving, the big blue. The space of free diving is any underwater activity which people do by holding their breath for a long time. Use a derivative from define. Exactly, it's the definition. 2, people space to dive down as far as possible on one single breath without the space of air tanks. Use competition and assist. For the second one, people. Yeah, exactly, people compete without the assistance. Many drivers say the experience of free diving gives them the feeling of space while they are underwater. The feeling of, yeah, freedom, exactly. Also, many of the sports space regularly use yoga to help them space and hold their breath for longer so they can dive to much greater space than normal. So let's start from the beginning. Also, many of the sports, yeah, followers regularly use yoga to help them, exactly, concentrate and hold their breath for longer so they can dive to much greater depth. Before you decide to try free diving, you must go through a lot of training first under the space of a professional, under the supervision. This is because it can be a very space sport if it's not done space. It can be a very, yeah, dangerous, exactly, if it's not done properly. Exactly. Let's move to the next exercise. C. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words from the table in A. Again, our box. My trainer always says if you're going to do something, you should always do it properly. That man is a great yoga teacher. He's got thousands of space who listen to his every word. So he got thousands of, yeah, followers. Exactly. Number 3, you'll have to improve your level of space if you want to take up tennis. Your level of what? Yes, let's have a look. Concentration. 4, kids do not do this at home. You should only do this sport under the space of an adult. Under the what of an adult? Yeah, right, supervision. 5, I believe free diving is one of the most space sports in the world. I wouldn't try it. So it's the most what? Yes, dangerous. 6, I wish I'd been a or an space in that race. I know I could have won. What do you guess? Exactly, competitor. 7, what is your space of a great athlete? Mine is someone who excels at sport. What is your? Yes, great definition. 8, is anyone mad enough to jump from a plane without the space of a parachute? Without the what? Okay, yes, it's assistance. 9, who knows what strange creatures live in the space of the ocean? Live in what? Yes, live in the depths of the ocean. 10, don't you love the sense of space you get when you're skiing? Sense of what? Freedom, exactly. So that was the end of our lesson today. I hope that you understood it well, and if you have any further questions, you can send us on the site. Goodbye.